My name is Royla Day. Welcome to my website, Cool Kinder Teaching. So on here on the first page, I just have a quick intro about the website and what you'll find. Below I have my tech blog that you can click on and see a little, I did one little blog right here. That is the wiki walkthrough. I also have some links of things that you can take a look at right here. And I have this down here in case you need to look up anything. I have my contact information right here, which is my email address. So feel free to email me if you have any questions or concerns, if you'd like some more resources for your child. Right here I have my biography. It has a picture of myself. And it has an intro about me, where I graduated from, my educational background. I talk about how and why I became a teacher and just some of my hobbies down here. Right here I have some resources. These are some resources that I use in my classroom on the daily basis. This is one of the students' favorite website, which is ABC Mouse. You can get a free prescription to use this website. And what it does, it teaches the children how to read, math, science, art, and color. And so the good thing about this website is if your child has a login from the class that they're in, you can simply ask the teacher for the login and they can use it at home. We also use FunBrain, and it goes from pre-K all the way to 8th grade. So if you have other children in the home that are in different grade levels, they can use this website as well. And it has games, some reading, some videos, and a playground area, and also a math zone. And we also use iExcel, which we use this one mainly for math, but it also has language arts, science, social studies, and Spanish. And it also aligns with the Common Core standards of the state that you live in. And this website does as well go from pre-K to 8th grade. And then if you have some high school students, it has Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Pre-Cal, and Cal. Okay. So right here, instead of doing teacher favorites, I did some of my student favorites. So these are some videos that we watch in class to help them learn some things and get them moving around, and they have a great time. So right here I have Usher singing the ABC song. I'll just give you a little preview.
You guys ready? Let's do it. Clap your hands. The alphabet, there you ABCs. They can help you move, so get up and dance with me. A, B, sounds like a ball. C, like a push station and do the crab and crawl. D, everybody duck down. E, elbows out. F, fingers flap and flut.
Okay, so the kids love this video. They get to move around, they get to dance, they get to sing, and they're learning their ABCs at the same time. Now down here, I have counting to 100 by ones. Now, as a trick, we say that this is our grandpa, and so the kids have to work harder than grandpa. And so he does different exercises with the students, and they count from 1 to 100.
Count to 100 every day. Keep your mind and body in shape. Let's get fit, have some fun. Count to 100 by ones. Get ready to exercise and count. Stretch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, and that's Jack Hartman, and he actually has a full YouTube page that has all kinds of great learning videos. And so down here, for our brain breaks, we like to use the website Go Noodle. So I have Popsicle right here, and I have Dinosaur Stomp right here. You can open Go Noodle at home, and it's free. And it's just a quick brain break for the kids, if you've been working really hard and they just need a break. So they like this one. As you can see, it's very animated.
Hey, Maximo. Hey, what? Are you ready? For what? To pop. Pop what? Popsicle. My hands are high, my feet are low, and this is how I popsicle. His hands are high, his feet are low, and this is how he popsicles. Popsicle, pop, popsicle, popsicle, pop, popsicle.
Okay, so it also helps them to follow directions, and that's the same thing as Dinosaur Stomp. So these are the hits in the room, but there are many different, videos that your child will love that helps them learn. So we're going to move along. So now on this tab, I have my tech projects, and I'll start with my digital story. So I did my digital story on the life cycle of a plant. So on here, it just shows you the stages of the plant and what it goes through. This can be used in your classroom. It can be used at home as well. If you're learning about different things, it's a quick little video that you can use. Right here, I have my PLN and PLE. So the PLN is Personal Learning Network, and I have the definition for it right here. And then the PLE is the Personal Learning Environment, which I also have the definition for. So if we scroll down a little bit, I'll open it so you can see a little better. Right here, we review three things or three categories in the class, starting with the blogs. Then we did curation tools and microblogs. So we have is the category, the definition of the category, and I give you two examples. You can click on the links and take a look at them. And then I did my own personal review of them right here on the side. And these are some good tools that you can use in the classroom as well to help with education and at home. And right here I have my mobile app, which I did on Go Noodle. And so it's just a quick little review of the website Go Noodle, which I just introduced you to, what it's about, the benefits of Go Noodle, and like I said, it doesn't cost anything, and you can put it on your cell phone if you have an Apple phone, an Android phone, or you can just go to the website. And it shows you, I just have some things to show you how it can be used in the classroom. You can even use it at home as well, the benefits of it, and actually gives you little monsters that as you go on in the website, your monster gets stronger and stronger and stronger, and the kids love at the end. It does a whole transformation, and the kids get really excited about that. Okay, and now here will be my screencast that I will upload as well. And so this is my website, Cool Kinder Teaching. Thank you for stopping by.